Hello everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in at the Hardee's restaurant for November. And this is going to be the Walkabout cam, where we just take a camera and a selfie stick and just show you around what's out there and drive through the show, and you can see all the cars that are there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This was kind of rushed because we were trying to get to another event, so it is what it is at this point. Sorry for that, guys, but, busy day. You got other things that are going on, so you have to juggle everything. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every day of the week, except for, like, Saturday and Sunday. I mean, I'm busy those days, but for other reasons. So, without much further ado, let's rev it up the car. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for November. We really enjoyed it, what little bit of time we were out there. Unfortunately, we had a hard out. We had to be in Jacksonville by 6 o'clock for the doors to open to the arena to get to the game. Actually, we had to be there a little bit before that to, secure parking. That's a whole rant. We're not going over that right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop the like, the comment, the subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Share it around to people. anything helps. Any interaction with the video helps, guys. They're changing stuff on YouTube right now, so I don't know what. We're going to keep doing the same old, and hope that works. So, with the like, subscribe, comment, share, that stuff. Anyway, so we had a wonderful time. What little bit of time we were there. Right now on the channel, we are at 312 subscribers. We're trying to get to the 500 initial monetization goal. That would be great to do that real soon. We've been grinding at this for over a year and a half, probably close to 2 years. I don't know what my anniversary is for actually going full-time doing car show videos, but anyway, so do all the YouTube things, please, guys. You guys are helping out the channel whether you realize it or not. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show. I think we got a couple coming up this week, so we'll see you guys out at them. So anyway, we'll keep going out to the car shows as long as you guys keep watching the videos.